Hey guys, what's up? I'm Nikhil from Motion Magic, and in this video, we'll be creating this professional glass Morphic animation inside of After Effects without using any plugins. Here, my goal is not just to explain you how you can create that exact same animation, but most importantly, how you can learn the concept that are used in the videos so that you can use that in your own advantage, your full advantage. But before we get started, make sure that you like and subscribe because that is very important, very crucial for me to create such videos for free. Also, you can download the project file using the link in the description below. So this is what we are going to create today, this glass animation. So let me just show you how we can create that. Firstly, create a new composition. I just downloaded this plant PNG from Freepik, so you can download that from Freepik as well. I'm just bringing the scale down. Somewhere around here is fine. So this is good to go. And then we can add a background to this. Adding a new solid to this. And then if I change the color to be, firstly add a ramp, gradient ramp. By the way, it is a free plugin from Video Copilot. This is FX Console. You can download it for free. And then just change the color. Somewhere around here is fine. And then duplicate this gradient ramp effect and search for starburst, CC starburst, and then add a fill to this. Change the color to white or whatever you like. Then just increase this scatter mist somewhere around here. I think this looks good to me. Grid spacing is fine. Size should be small and speed should be around 0.4. Yeah, that's looking good. Then we can add the main component of this tutorial, which is this glass kind of thing. Glass Morphic design. So I'm just taking this ellipse tool and just place it right over here. This is good. Now I'm making this a little bit bigger and hit Control double click on this to center the anchor point. So now I'm fine. Then change the color to black and add a fast box blur to this. Uncheck this and increase this somewhere out here. And this is the blur radius and blur iteration, whatever you would say. Then on this setting, this button right over here. And if you don't see it, just click on this toggle switch in mode and then just duplicate this and change the color to white. Delete this and uncheck this. Now go on this and click on this and add a gradient to this. Now place it like so and change the color to be black somewhere around here, and also bring down the transparency. And now bring down the overall transparency to somewhere around here. Now duplicate this one more time. Oh shit, the transparency is very high. Yeah, duplicate this one more time, and now just remove the fill and add only stroke to be around 4. 3 should fine. 3 is looking fine to me. We just change this full view. Full resolution view. And then just click on this stroke and add a gradient. Linear gradient. Hit OK and then change the position like so. Same as we did for the rectangle. And now just change the color, this color to be green, or for my case it is green, so I'm just adding green to this. And for this I'm gonna add like a dark green. So this is fine. This is looking good to me. Then what else we can do is This is fine, but we can also do one thing and adjustment layer new adjustment layer, and then add glow to this and increase this glow radius. Just play around the settings and this will get a good result. And make sure that you working on or click on this. Make sure that you're working on 16 or at least 16 or 32 bit. I'm working on 16 is fine. So this is what we have to create, and we are done here. So let me just remind you. Firstly, I will create a shape of whatever shape I want, and then we will add a fast box blur and make sure that color of that shape is black, and then we'll turn on this option, and then we duplicate this and add a gradient fill of this is to black and this is to be slightly no sorry this to be lighter side and this should be around dark color. And finally touch, we will add the stroke on this so that we can add a edge to this, and now we are fine. But we can just duplicate this glow layer, or yes, we can just duplicate this glow layer and place it right over here and decrease the radius, or we just cut this from here and add this to stroke, and now increase the radius and the intensity. So now I have this. Let's just animate this as well. So I'm just clicking all this and undo null object and parent this to the null object. It be on the keyboard, add a position, maybe around here, around 1 second. Here is my go back in frame and then do it like so. Hit F9 and then just tweak this from the graph editor. Well, if you don't know the graph editor, the video might be live on the channel or it is going to come very soon. So don't worry about that. So now we'll have this kind of animation. So we are done with the animation. Now we can add our text to this. So I'm just adding the text of glass ORP. What is the spelling for the glass new version? Spelling क्या था यार? Mortism MORPH. Okay. Good morning. PHI as a sorry, I'm forward the spelling very easily. So now we'll have this, but make sure that you decrease the transparency of this opacity so that it looks real, and then we'll add a effect which is blur and text effect, blur and built in. So now we'll have this full animation, and now just play this from beginning. So yeah, that is pretty great. We can just all tweak this as well, but my main motive for this video is to teach you how you can create this glass animation, and that is what we will successfully succeeded on that. So if you like, then subscribe the channel and like the video as well, and I will see you in the next one.